बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल आर टू लर्न। आज की इस वीडियो में हम पीपीएससी की तरफ से ज़िलेदार का पेपर बीपीएस 14 का जो हुआ था इरिगेशन एंड पावर डिपार्टमेंट में, वो हम हलशुदा डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु रोड पाथ टू पाकिस्तान? चौधरी खलीकुज़्ज़मान इसका सी ऑप्शन है। व्हेन डिड फातिमा जना ज्वाइन AIML, All India Muslim League, 1939. Who prepared paper report? Raja Said Mehdi. When Quaid-e-Azam met M.K. Gandhi for the first time, 1916. When were non-party election held, 1985. National anthem was approved in 1954, August 1954. Who was the Secretary of State for India in Cabinet Mission? Lord Petlick Lawrence. Who was Secretary of State for India and Cabinet Mission? Lord Patrick Lawrence. When water accord between province was 1991. और Rawal Dam is constructed on which river? Kurang. और where is Greenpeace headquarter? Amsterdam. Doab between river Ravi and Chenab is called Richna Doab. और Bala Hisar Fort was built by Babur. Who administered the oath of Prime Minister to Liaquat Ali Khan? Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Copper deposits are located in Chagi. And who supported Pakistan resolution from Sindh provinces? Sir Abdullah Haroon. Where is Bambori site? Thatta. Where is Chandka Medical College, Ladkana? Artificial forest being maintained in Changamanga. Which is Pakistan's second largest foreign exchange earner crop? Cotton. Or Chaudhry Rahmat Ali coined the word Pakistan in his Now or Never pamphlet in 1933. CR formula was prepared by Rajgopal Acharya. Who discovered malaria parasite? Ronald Ross. Or largest organ of the body is liver. Or kidney disease due to the overdose of vitamin D. Kidney disease is due to overdose of vitamin D. Or largest Muslim country in Africa by population is Nigeria. Or Nobel Prize for Peace is awarded in Oslo. Highest literacy rate among SAARC countries is of Sri Lanka. Or highest per capita income among SAARC countries is of इनमें से बन रही है मालदीव्स। क्योंकि इंडिया की 7213,000 और 19,200 और भूटान की 8700। लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ ऑयल इन ओपेक कंट्री इज़ सऊदी अरेबिया। और बुख्तार इज़ न्यूज़ एजेंसी ऑफ अफगानिस्तान। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 है, आरियाना इज़ एन एयरलाइन ऑफ अफगानिस्तान। और कैथी पैसिफिक इज़ एन एयरलाइन। अतरतास is news agency of Russia. Itartas. PPI stand for Pakistan Press International. Share of Punjab in Pakistan total area 25.8%. और headquarter of Asian Development Bank is in Manila. UN Secretary Council member are 15. Ibn Battuta came to India from Morocco. और Scout movement was established by Robert Paul. Who presided over the Wavell Plan? Lord Wavell. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali coined the word Pakistan in 1933. Liaquat Nehru Pact was signed in 8 April 1950. और pedagogy is term about teaching. Fasting become farz in 2 Hijri. Ghazwat Tabuk was fought in 9 Hijri. Who wrote Hudaybiyah Treaty? Hazrat Ali Raziyallahu Anhu. Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam initially preached Islam secretly for 3 years. और Hijri calendar was started by Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Anhu. In which surah Allah has mentioned his bounties the most? Surah Rahman. The oldest anthem of the world is Japan. क्वेश्चन नंबर 51 है व्हाट इज़ बिग बेन क्लॉक है, क्लॉक का नेम है। हु वाज द फर्स्ट वाइसरॉय ऑफ इंडिया, लॉर्ड कैनिंग जो थे वो फर्स्ट वाइसरॉय थे। नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट वाज द किंग ऑफ फ्रांस। हेल्वेटिया इज़ द ओल्ड नेम ऑफ स्विट्ज़रलैंड, ज्वाइन यूएनओ 2002 में। हाउ मैनी zeros are there in 1 trillion? 12. Gestapo was the secret police organization of Germany. The train went through the tunnel. She jumped into the bus. The train went through the tunnel. By from opening Eiger through Eiger, she jumped into the bus. Write the meaning of strenuous, energetic. Strength से तो strenuous, energetic. Write the meaning of zest, keenness. Synonym of collision, crash. COLLISION, collision. Synonym of accumulate होता है collect करना. Synonym of detrimental, harmful. Synonym of rancor, enmity. Which Sahabi narrated the maximum Adat Hazrat Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu anhu? Which surah verse were relieved first? Alaq. The first ghazwa was Abwa. Largest island is Greenland. Largest peninsula is Arabia. Ibn Insha is famous for humor. Mustaqbali was poet of Balochi. After USA, greatest arm exporter is Russia. Oldest anthem of the world is of Japan, or Kahuta Laboratory was established in 1976. Arbitrator in Indus Basin Treaty was World Bank. Pakistan joined ILO 1947. Rapid means saver. Largest democracy in the world is India. Thomas Cup is associated with badminton. First nuclear power plant in Punjab was up with the help of Canada. Capital of Somalia is Mogadishu. First Punjabi poet was Baba Farid. Length of Great Wall of China is 8,850 km. Durand Line was demarcated in 1893. World oldest monarchy is in Japan. First missile of Pakistan is Hataf. Ringgit is the currency of Malaysia. Digital computer was invented by John Atansof. Decimal system was introduced in Pakistan on 1st January 1961. Babur tomb is situated in Kabul, which is the longest river of Balochistan province in gold. Largest natural gas Muslim country Iran. Google is a search engine. When did Pakistan become a member of NATO? 1955. The Pentagon, the headquarters of United States Department of Defense, is located in Washington. Meaning of rapid mean fast. Celebrity mean famous man. Pour tea into the cup. Salisbury is the old name of Harare. Who founded Atak Fort Akbar? तो ये थे हमारे पास ज़िलादार के 100 क्वेश्चन। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है क्योंकि ये PPSC के हर एग्ज़ाम में इनमें से क्वेश्चन आते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। अपना ख्याल रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।